Are you looking for a way to score some extra cash, all from the comfort of your own home? Well, I have just the strategy for you, and the best part is that you won't need to spend any money to get started. This is a really easy way to make money. You don't need any special skills or work experience to be able to do this, plus it only takes around 20 minutes to be able to get started making money. One of the great things about this platform is that the payout is really quick. You could have your money in your PayPal account in less than 24 hours. It's a really great way to start earning in minutes, and since it's so easy, I know it'll work for you. Are you a college kid looking to make money in your free time, or a stay-at-home mom that wants to earn during nap time? Well, then this is the video for you. Whatever your situation is, you're gonna wanna pay attention to each and every step so that you can make the most out of this method. Wait, there's more. You can do this from anywhere in the world. Want to be able to travel and still make money? Well, this method will work for you. All you need is a device that connects to the internet and you can start making cash right now. Hold your horses though, stay until the end of the video so that you know exactly how it works. I mean, look at how much money people are making with this platform. You can make 25 bucks by completing a simple 5-minute task. You could even earn $300, and as I said, all you need is a smartphone. Keep watching to learn how it works. Before we get into the video, hi, welcome to Money Express, a channel where I share tips and tricks on how you can make money. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Smash the like button down below if you want to see more videos like this one. Are you ready to start earning? Well, if you are, open up a browser and head over to google.com. Now you're going to want to type Validately into the search bar. That's Validately. Now you want to click on this result right here and it should bring you to a page that looks like this one right here. Now before you actually sign up, you're going to want to make sure that you're going to be able to receive your payment, right? So one of the best payment options in my opinion is to get paid through PayPal. If you don't already have an account, you're going to want to go to paypal.com and then sign up for a free account by clicking this button right here. It's super self-explanatory, so signing up is a breeze. Anywho, back to Validately. This platform has partnered with some pretty big names like Google and Amazon. Working with them is a really good opportunity that you aren't going to want to miss out on. To be able to max out your cash out, you're going to want to pay very close attention to this video. The sign-up process can get a little difficult, and if you answer one of the registration questions wrong, then you could miss out on making money on here. Stay tuned and follow along with each step so that you don't miss out on this opportunity. You're not going to want to skip ahead or start the sign-up process while I'm explaining because you might end up messing up, so listen up, Buttercup. Step numero uno is to click on this Create an Account button, and once you do that, it's going to bring you here to question number 1. The very first question is asking you what kind of mobile device you have. I have an Android, so that's what I'm going to choose, and you can go ahead and choose whichever one applies to you. Next, they're asking what kind of computer you own. I myself have a Windows PC, so I'm going to pick that one, and once again, you're just going to choose whichever one applies to you. Now, what version of Windows do you use? I have Windows 10, so once again, I'm going to choose the one that applies to me, and you're going to choose the one that applies to you. Alrighty, now you pick your gender, which clearly I'm female, and obviously, again, you're going to pick the one that applies to you. Now, you need to let them know what year you were born in, which is pretty simple. Now, this one is important. For this question, you want to choose the college graduate option just because it's going to help you land higher paying tasks. So you want to be sure to select that you are a college grad. Next, it's going to ask you for your employment status, and you're going to want to choose the option that says self-employed. Now you can choose whatever industry you work in, so whatever applies to you. And there are actually a lot of options for you to choose from, so just take a look at the options and pick whatever fits. Keep listening for a bonus tip.
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
Let's get back to making some money. Where was I? Bonus tip, right. If you choose that you work in the information tech field or anything related to computers, then you'll be making more money on here. So since that's going to help me score some more cash, that's what I'm going to pick. Alright, now it should be asking you for a job title, and for this part, I'm just going to put in that I work in marketing. The next question is going to be what your annual income is, and once again, you're just going to pick the option that best fits you. Now they need your full name, so you're just gonna go ahead and give them that. Now you need to give them your email address, and next you're gonna need your PayPal email address. If you create an account earlier, you need to give them the email address that you used to create an account. Make sure that it's your PayPal email address or else you might not get paid. And you don't want that to happen, right? After that, they're gonna ask you to create a password, and then second to the last question, they're gonna ask you for your time zone. So the site can either automatically detect your time zone or you can manually put it in. Now for the very last step, just agree and then sign up. Congratulations, you have yourself an account. Now I know that was a lot of information to take in, but if you do exactly as I showed you, then it should only take a couple minutes for you to have an account up and running. They're gonna send you an email to confirm that you gave the right email address, and then they'll send a link for the screener test. This is a really easy test to finish, and it should only take a minute. I'll walk you through what it's gonna look like and then how to make money, so listen up. You're gonna click this right here to be able to start the screener, and you can do this on either a phone or a computer, so do not fret. Oh yeah, make sure that you use Google Chrome when you do this because it works the best with Google Chrome. And then when you click this white button, it's gonna give you a tutorial as to how to do the screener. As you can see, it's really simple. Now, if you click this green bubble, it's gonna show you what task you need to do with the instructions, and right here, I'm just gonna click next. Now, if you wanna show or hide the instructions, you can just click right here. And now I'm ready to start the test, which, as I said, should only take a minute. Now you're gonna need to install their extensions, so you just go ahead and do that, and once you've got that downloaded, you can go ahead and start taking tasks. If you wanna see what the tasks look like, they're gonna look like this right here. So right here, they're gonna give you a website to test, and then they're gonna tell you what you need to do while you're on the site. So usually they'll have you click links and look for products and that type of thing. It's really easy to do. All you need to do is follow the instructions that they give you. Oh, and another thing is that while you are completing these tasks, you're gonna wanna take screenshots just to prove that you're able to complete them, in case they aren't able to access that data. Now, if you don't know how to take a screenshot, you can actually head over to Google and type in how to take a screenshot and then the name of the device that you're on. So if you're on an Android, you could search for how to take a screenshot on an Android. Once you're done taking a screenshot, you can go ahead and start working on the tasks that they want you to complete. Validately basically has you testing whatever website they send your way because they want to make sure that these sites are user-friendly. They're partnered with a lot of big names, so you know that this is legit. So you're just going to go through the instructions, follow them, take screenshots, and then once you are done, you're going to get paid. Remember that you're going to want to keep the screenshots until you get paid for the task, just so that you have receipts in case they need them. This shouldn't take too long for you to do, and the more of them that you complete, the easier it's gonna get because you're gonna get used to it. This is something that can help you earn a lot of money, and you can set it up to get paid straight to your PayPal account. Now, if there are parts of the process that you didn't understand, you can always go back and watch them again so that you don't mess up while you're signing up. Anyways, that's all I've got for you folks. I'll see you in the next video.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.